Hi there. Do you find yourself typing the same lists over and over? Perhaps it's a list of your employees, students, products. Do you use copy and paste? Well, here's a really quick solution. I've opened a file called lists, and you can download the same file to play along. Sheet 1 has a list of names. Start by selecting the list, and then I'll go to File, Options, Advanced, and then I'll scroll down to Edit Custom Lists, Import, and OK. So I'll just go to a blank worksheet. Now if I type in the first word that was on the list, press Enter, and then grab the little handle and pull it down, and there's that list. Isn't that perfect? Now if I go back to the first workbook and go to sheet 2, you can see that I have a list of the provinces. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select it, File, scroll down to Options, Advanced, scroll down, General, Edit Custom Lists, and I'm going to import it. OK. Now, what's different this time is that it has this header, Provinces. So when I go to the blank worksheet, I can type in Provinces, and then grab the little handle and pull it down. There you go. Now I can just delete the header, since I probably don't need it, and that's really looks dandy. Oh, and by the way, this works sideways as well. So if I type Joseph in here, and then grab the little handle and go this way, perfect. Isn't that lovely? Oh, and one more thing. You can delete custom lists very easily, so don't worry if you're only going to need it for a little while. Well, I hope you found that interesting. I hope you found it useful. I hope to see you soon.